Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho.
Oh, hello guys, this is Jackie again once again. We're gonna do a napkin holder, or yeah, it's a napkin holder. So basically we just need a ordinary tissue holder, the end part niya, cardboard, or either way, if you want to have like a proper ring, the plastic, it's much better. But so anyway, and then also some foil, or if you want to use this, but compared to this one, it's much more shinier than this wrapping paper. So we're going to go ahead with this foil. At the same time, holly, or if you want to use a ribbon, it's fine. So we're going to use holly as well, plastic ones. Or if you want to use a fresh flower, is fine as well. Also, we're going to use of course, scissor and a tape. Or if not, you can use a glue stick. So first of all, use this, cut it into half, and then it's going to be like this now. So half of this one. Then the foil, you can cut into half like this one, lengthwise. You have to just fold it. And then fold lengthwise again. You have to give a leeway or space, so in order for you to fold it up properly once you try to cover the cardboard. So you're gonna put the tape on and then fold it up like so. And then once you have folded up, you have to fold it on the top as well, just to secure it. So once it's finished and folded up, then you have to connect this one. Mas mabuti kung nasa gilid siya dito para hindi siya makita. So this is our DIY craft holder, napkin holder. This is our DIY, and this is the proper holder. But it doesn't matter as long as you got one of these for your Christmas decor, and it's nice. It's fine. So you can use with this one as well. After, so the simplest one that I'm going to show you is what I've seen in YouTube. Flat siya, square, pinch in the middle like so, make a little knot there. You can use this one like this, or your proper you got a proper napkin holder, or if you want, you can use our DIY holder. So it doesn't matter how would you properly put it, but maybe I'm gonna probably put it like so in here. So there you go. And same as this one as well. If you got a red one, see, so it's kind of pretty in a way. It's a DIY anyway, so yeah, it's good for your children in school. And then you can use it like this, so, or in here on top with a cracker, or either you put it beside on your table, on your plate, dinner plate, and then that's it then. Or either way, only solo siya is fine. So yeah, it's good. So please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and thank God we're on 300 plus now. Thank you guys, the newcomers. Thank you for your support and subscribe to my channel, to our channel. We are one big happy family, and hopefully we're still gonna continue grow and make more projects like this in the near future. So good night, Merry Christmas, God bless, and have a nice evening. Bye.